Hello everyone and welcome to Kimber's Dolly Talk Show, and today we are going to be unboxing lalaloopsy, Stormy's guy, and she has real rooted hair. See, this is the back of her box. And we're going to open her up and review her today. So I hope you guys are excited, because I am so excited. So let's open her up and review her. Alright. Let me get my scissors and I'll cut her out and I'll be right back. She's almost out, you guys. Here's the back of the box. Well, actually, no. This is the cardboard insert. I'm so sleepy today. This is the cardboard insert. These are some of her accessories I got out already. So we're going to get her out. It'll just be a few more. It'll just be a little bit. I'm sorry. But we will get her out. Okay, so we have Stormy right here, and I believe she actually does have some hair nets, so we're going to take those out. These are just to keep her hair nice while she is in the box. So we're going to take those out. Okay, so the hairnet got a little bit stuck, but she does have really nice curls, and she has button eyes and a stitch. Obviously, that's how the lalaloopsy are. But she does have, I believe, a newer body mold than the older lalaloopsies. Yep. So this is like, I believe this was one of the reboot lalaloopsies because she's got the softer, like Barbie kind of hair instead of the hard plastic. So she's a little different than some of the older lalaloopsy dolls. But I really like this doll because Stormy, I have her sister. You guys have probably seen. I have her sister, Cloudy Sky. And Cloudy Sky was one of my favorite lalaloopsy dolls. So when she had a sister, I had to get her sister. And yeah. Yeah, so this is Stormy. And she has like kind of like a little light goth kind of look to her. I guess you could call it like scene, I believe. They call that scene or something like that. I believe it's scene goth because it's not like totally goth. It's just like a light kind of goth look. And she's got like a glitter bow. And it's cute. Yeah, she's really cute. But based on how her hands are posed, I believe it is a new body mold. It seems a little bit slimmer. And her head is a bit smaller than a regular lalaloopsy as well. And she also comes with her kitty. This is her little cat. So she comes with her cat, which I believe is just called Cat because they never give their pets like actual names. They just call them like cat or dog or different stuff, and it's like, okay, a little bit weird, but that's how the lalaloopsy work. They just call their cat Cat, or their dog Dog, or their bunny Bunny, or whatever. So they don't actually give them actual names. And she comes with a brush. Yep, brush. And she also comes with a little paper guitar that was attached to her hand. Now this probably won't last long if you play with it, but it's cute, you know. She has a guitar in the show. I wish they would have made that plastic, like just even a little, or laminated or something, because it would have made it last a little longer. But she's really cute, and I am glad to be able to unbox her today for you guys. So make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications so you'll see my new videos. I know in January YouTube is going to be changing, but I'm still doing toys because that's what I like to do. And, you know, I don't know. I mean, people have told me I can sing, but I don't know if I really want to, you know, put my face out there or any of that. So, yeah. If you guys want a face reveal, that will be 1,000 subscribers. So, yeah. If you guys actually want me to put my face on the internet, you're going to have to, like, really get me some subscribers. I'm joking around. I'm not really expecting, like, a ton of subscribers right away, but if you guys want a face reveal, that's what you're going to have to do. You're going to have to get me that 1,000 subscribers. But I'm not going to be announcing that in a separate video. Just something for you to know. But again, she's really, really good quality. And I do like her. I do like this doll. I actually got her at Marshall's. So if you're looking for this doll, you might want to check Marshall's because they actually have the best price at only $10 on clearance. Yeah. So yeah, something to look for. So what do you want to do today, Stormy? Yeah, what do you want to do? Today I'm going to be writing some songs and singing. But I don't want anybody to hear me sing because I get nervous. So I just like to sing for fun. Oh, okay. Well, I hope you have a good day. I will. Make sure to like and subscribe, everyone. And ring the bell so you don't miss the next videos that are coming soon. Bye, everyone. All right.